How to enable light mode on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable light mode on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and then just click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner, and now just click settings, and here you will find theme. Click on it and then just select light here, and as you see light mode have been enabled, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to enable light mode. And you can disable it again, just go to theme and then select dark here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.